Welcome to my Level Up Pinoy Ulam series, where I show you how to make every Pinoy ulam easy, masarap, at laging may wow. Episode 6, Sinigang sa Sampalok. Tapos na tayo sa adobo series. Ngayon, sinigang series naman. Turuan ko kayo, let's go! A lot of you have been asking, ano nga ba yung secret sa masarap na sinigang? As a chef, isa lang yung mapapayo ko. Iba pa rin yung magiging lasa ng pagkain mo kapag gumamit ka ng natural ingredients. Sa recipe na to, gumamit tayo ng totoong tamarind or yung sampalok. Yan ang gagamitin natin as souring agent or yung pampaasim. All you have to do is to saute all the aromatics. Now let's add pork belly. Then add black pepper, fish sauce. Toss mo lang for 5 minutes. Then add the tamarind broth. While waiting, peel and scrape your tamarind. Para mas lumabas yung lasa, gagamit tayo nito. Kung nagmamadali ka, pwede mo na lang ilagay yung tamarind sa broth. Kung wala ka nito, pwede kang gumamit ng sinigang mix. Once done, ilagay mo na yung tamarind paste, white radish, eggplant, garlic is optional, then simmer for 30 minutes. Kapag malambot na yung pork, ilagay mo na yung ibang gulay. Again, konting reminder, do not overcook your veggies. Iba yung lasa kapag fresh tamarind. Guys, try na natin. Favorite ko talaga sinigang. So good.